Okay, one of the last things we got to do is assemble the screen rack that goes inside the booth. With this, we're going to do 8 bolts, 8 washers, and 8 nuts. And if you get a bag that's not labeled, that's pretty much the only thing that's left to use to put this together. So we're going to get our wrenches, and hopefully you can see there's enough light to be able to see. I'm going to put these going up. Alright, so I'm putting them from the bottom up. That way the bottom rubs the pan and not the sharp end of the screw. Okay, and one more. So that's pretty much how it's going to look. Just like that, going into the washout booth. We're going to tighten these down and then set it in the washout booth. So we'll be back as soon as we tighten these up.